Hey there, it's Sarah. Are you wondering if a younger woman in your life might be too emotionally immature for a serious relationship? Today, we're going to dive into the key behavioral red flags that indicate a lack of emotional maturity. By the end of this video, you'll be able to assess whether the relationship is viable or if it might be time to reconsider. Stay tuned for our bonus tip at the end of the video that ties all these signs together perfectly. Don't miss it. Before we go on, if you're curious about improving your dating skills, why not book a free 60-minute strategy call? Just click the link below. Ready to identify these crucial signs? Let's get started. 1. She avoids difficult conversations. Let's kick things off with a major red flag. She avoids difficult conversations. An emotionally immature younger woman will often shy away from tough discussions. Whether it's about future plans, conflicts, or emotional needs, she'll find excuses to dodge these conversations. Avoidance shows a lack of readiness to confront and resolve issues, which is essential for a healthy relationship. For example, if you bring up a concern and she changes the subject or gets defensive, it's a sign she's not prepared to handle mature conversations. This avoidance can lead to unresolved issues piling up, creating tension and misunderstanding in the relationship. 2. She blames others for her problems. Next up, let's talk about another red flag. She blames others for her problems. An emotionally immature woman often lacks the ability to take responsibility for her actions and circumstances. Instead, she'll shift the blame onto others, refusing to acknowledge her own role in any negative situation. This behavior indicates a lack of self-awareness and personal accountability. For instance, if she constantly blames her friends, family, or even you for her own issues, it's a sign of emotional immaturity. A mature individual accepts responsibility and learns from their mistakes, while an immature one deflects and avoids personal growth. 3. She is overly jealous and insecure. Moving on to our third red flag, she is overly jealous and insecure. Excessive jealousy and insecurity are classic signs of emotional immaturity. A younger woman who constantly questions your interactions with others or feels threatened by your friendships lacks the self-assurance necessary for a stable relationship. This insecurity can lead to controlling behavior and constant need for reassurance. For example, if she frequently accuses you of flirting or demands excessive details about your interactions with other women, it's a clear indication of her insecurity. Such behavior can be draining and detrimental to the trust and freedom needed in a healthy relationship. 4. She struggles with empathy. Next, let's discuss a critical red flag. She struggles with empathy. An emotionally immature younger woman may find it difficult to understand or share the feelings of others. Empathy is crucial for a healthy relationship as it fosters connection and compassion. Without it, misunderstandings and insensitivity can arise, leading to emotional disconnect. For instance, if you're going through a tough time and she seems indifferent or dismissive of your feelings, it's a sign she lacks empathy. A mature partner will offer support and understanding, whereas an immature one may not grasp the importance of emotional support. If you're enjoying the content and looking to transform your dating life, don't just watch, act. Our free strategy call offers personalized tips on meeting more women and dating with confidence. Find out more by clicking the link in the pinned comment. 5. She seeks constant validation. Moving on, let's talk about her need for constant validation. An emotionally immature woman often requires frequent validation and reassurance. This constant need for approval can stem from low self-esteem and insecurity. While it's natural to seek some level of validation in a relationship, an excessive need can become overwhelming and unsustainable. For example, if she constantly fishes for compliments or becomes upset when she doesn't receive enough attention, it's a sign of emotional immaturity. A mature individual is secure in themselves and doesn't rely heavily on external validation to feel worthy. 6. She has trouble handling criticism. Next, let's discuss her reaction to criticism. An emotionally immature younger woman may react poorly to constructive criticism. Instead of viewing it as an opportunity for growth, she might become defensive, upset, or even retaliatory. This inability to handle criticism suggests a lack of emotional resilience and openness to personal development. For instance, if you offer gentle feedback and she lashes out or becomes overly defensive, it's a sign she's not ready to handle mature discussions about improvement. A mature person can accept criticism gracefully and use it as a chance to better themselves. 7. She displays erratic or impulsive behavior. Let's move on to another crucial sign. An emotionally immature younger woman often exhibits erratic or impulsive behavior. This could include making hasty decisions without considering the consequences, acting out in unpredictable ways, or frequently changing her mind. Such behavior indicates a lack of stability and emotional control, which are essential for a healthy, long-term relationship. For example, if she frequently makes spur-of-the-moment decisions that affect both of you without consulting you, or if her mood swings are intense and unpredictable, it's a sign of emotional immaturity. This kind of instability can be exhausting and challenging to navigate in a relationship. 8. She avoids personal responsibility. Next, let's discuss her tendency to avoid personal responsibility. An emotionally immature younger woman might avoid taking responsibility for her actions, often making excuses or blaming external factors for her behavior. This lack of accountability can lead to repeated mistakes and a failure to grow and learn from experiences. It's a red flag that she's not ready to handle the responsibilities that come with a mature relationship. For instance, if she consistently fails to follow through on commitments or tries to deflect blame when confronted about her behavior, it's a sign she lacks personal responsibility. A mature partner acknowledges their role in situations and works towards resolving issues constructively. 9. She is emotionally unavailable. Now let's talk about her emotional availability. An emotionally immature younger woman might be emotionally unavailable, unable or unwilling to connect on a deeper level. She may struggle to express her feelings, avoid vulnerability, or keep you at arm's length. This emotional distance can hinder the development of a meaningful, intimate relationship. For example, if she rarely opens up about her thoughts and feelings, or if she avoids deep, meaningful conversations, it's a sign she's emotionally unavailable. A mature relationship requires emotional intimacy and openness, which are difficult to achieve with someone who is emotionally distant. 10. She prioritizes fun over responsibilities. Next, let's discuss her prioritization of fun over responsibilities. An emotionally immature younger woman might prioritize having fun over taking care of responsibilities. While enjoying life is important, consistently neglecting responsibilities in favor of immediate gratification can be problematic. This behavior shows a lack of balance and foresight, which are crucial for managing a healthy, stable relationship. For instance, if she frequently cancels plans to handle responsibilities in favor of partying or engaging in recreational activities, it's a sign of emotional immaturity. A mature partner knows how to balance fun and responsibilities, ensuring both are managed effectively. 11. She exhibits dramatic behavior. Finally, let's talk about her tendency to exhibit dramatic behavior. An emotionally immature younger woman may exhibit dramatic behavior, creating unnecessary drama and conflict in the relationship. This could include overreacting to minor issues, seeking attention through exaggerated emotional displays, or instigating conflicts without cause. Such behavior can be draining and disruptive, making it difficult to maintain a harmonious relationship. For example, if she often blows small disagreements out of proportion or creates conflict for the sake of attention, it's a clear sign of emotional immaturity. A mature relationship requires calm, rational handling of issues, not constant drama and instability. Here's the bonus tip you've been waiting for: the importance of looking for patterns, not isolated incidents. While each of the red flags we've discussed, avoiding difficult conversations, blaming others, excessive jealousy, lack of empathy, needing constant validation, trouble handling criticism, erratic behavior, avoiding responsibility, emotional unavailability, prioritizing fun over responsibilities, and dramatic behavior are significant on their own. It's the consistent presence of these behaviors that truly indicates emotional immaturity. When you notice a pattern of these red flags, it reinforces the likelihood that she's not ready for a mature, serious relationship. For instance, if she repeatedly avoids tough conversations and constantly seeks validation, these combined behaviors create a clear picture of her emotional state. Isolated incidents might be just bad days, but consistent patterns point to deeper issues. Paying attention to these patterns helps you avoid misinterpretations and gives you greater confidence in assessing the relationship's viability. It's like putting together pieces of a puzzle. Each behavior contributes to the overall image. By being observant and noting how often these red flags appear, you can better gauge her level of emotional maturity and decide if the relationship is right for you. So, always look for consistent patterns rather than relying on just one behavior, and you'll have a more accurate read on her emotional readiness. So now you know signs a younger woman is too emotionally immature for you. What's next? Discover what to do to get younger girls to chase after you, or learn 21 signs she likes you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.